Are you fully aware of your own limitations in project management? This is number 4 of 5 videos about common pitfalls when transitioning to a data-informed project management practice. And one pitfall is to have not full awareness of the limitations that we as people or human beings naturally have, but also what the limitations of data are. And why is this important? So when bringing in data and analytics into the project management space, then one needs to know what gap it actually should fill. And what is the gap precisely? So to understand that, one needs to be aware of where we are lacking with our capabilities. So where our limitations are in terms of skills and knowledge, but as well how far we can and should give space to data and analytics in project management. It is no secret that we as human beings, we are dominated by numerous biases and we are way too optimistic when it comes to estimating project tasks and project timelines, risks, issues, etc. And based on this, you could say that we are really bad at planning and estimating, and therefore also add a lot of contingency to our plans usually based on some flawed mental models. The problem is that we usually are aware of our biased behaviors, but actually cannot do much about it to eliminate them. So eventually this means that we probably also overestimate our own capabilities even when we have data and analytics in place and challenging our views. So we may get valuable insights based on data, but if we do not listen to them because of our biases, what are those insights really worth? So in project management, we need to adopt the concepts of enhanced critical thinking and the questioning culture, which includes questioning our own thinking. So this kind of behaving like Inspector Columbo from the 70s TV series, if you remember that one. You know, when everybody believed that all is crystal clear, in a murder case, he still had doubts and further questions and eventually discovered the truth. So the key is to be doubtful and try to disprove things, which could be our own views or the views that data and analytics provide. Both actually can be wrong. So the mere fact that project decisions too often are wrong requires an approach to make attempts to disprove everything, no matter how clear a solution or an issue or a change request or a delivery date seems to be. So the more something points into a certain direction, the more we are running actually at risk being tricked by biases. So try to gather data, information and insights to disprove whatever seems to be crystal clear. So being Inspector Columbo would uncover possible flaws or limitations and at the same time strengthen our awareness of limitations. And not to forget that it likely leads to new opportunities based on new discovered alternatives.